I'm Sherwin Damdar, Director of Product Management and Innovation at Garlock.
And I'm Matt Tones, Senior Application Engineer at Garlock.
And we're here today to talk about non-metallic piping. So Matt, why don't we start off? What is non-metallic piping?
Good question. Non-metallic piping, here's an example here, is typically something that's made out of a polymer. Some of the more common ones in the industry are PVC, CPVC, and FRP, or fiber reinforced plastics.
Great. So what are some of the benefits and challenges with working with non-metallic piping?
That's also a very good question. So some of the benefits is really for the customer in that this piping system typically is much lighter. It's also much easier to install, and it usually represents a significant cost savings over traditional exotic metals like Hastelloys and Inconel. As far as the challenges associated with it, because they are non-metallic, plastic in general, they typically have very low allowable torque values. So the challenge becomes when you have a system here that's really designed for a rubber gasket, usually a 50 to 70 durometer. When we introduce chemicals where rubber is not an option, now we have to get creative in order to create an effective seal.
Got it. And so how can we at Garlock help with these challenges?
Well, we do have a couple of product offerings that fall into this category. We've coined the phrase stress optimization. And basically what stress optimization is there's raised features built into the product. So like the Stress Saver has these raised rib features. Our new Gylon Epics has the hexagonal pattern. And basically what these features are designed to do is to take that low torque, concentrate that on a small surface area, and create a tighter seal at a lower torque value. In addition to that, the Stress Saver product makes it a little bit easier in that we make these in standard 150-pound flange sizes, which usually match up very well here. And then the Epics product is available in a sheet form, so it can be die cut to basically fit any size flange you might come across.
Great. Thanks for sharing those insights with us, Matt.